Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today I am going to give you the inside question answers from chapter 1 Water a Precious Resource, class 7 West Bengal Board EVS book. So let's start. Number 1, why is water essential for living organisms? Water is essential for the survival of living organisms including plants, animals and microorganisms as it makes up a substantial part of their bodies. Number 2, what are the states of water? Where can we find those? Water on earth exists in all the three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. In solid form, it is found in glaciers on high mountains, in the form of ice caps in Arctic and Antarctic. In liquid form, it is found in oceans as surface flow over land and under the soil as groundwater. In the form of gas, it is found in atmosphere as water vapor. Number 3. In some organisms, up to 90% of their body weight is due to water only. This one is the fill in the blank from this chapter. Number 4. How does water help our body? Up to 60% of our body weight is water. Over 80% of our blood is water, which helps digest our food, transport waste and control body temperature. Again, a fill in the blank. Number 5. Water is connected with all human activities: agriculture, cooking, forest, fishing, industries and transportation. Number 6. Water is oceans. Water in oceans constitutes about 97.4% of the total volume of water on earth. Number 7. The seas and oceans constitute about 70% of earth's surface. Number 8. Why does the water on the earth seem blue? The blue water is only an illusion. It is because of the reflection of the blue part of the solar radiation. Number 9. Write the properties of water. Number 1. Water is a universal solvent. Number 2. It is colorless and odorless liquid. Number 3. Two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen join to form water. Number 4. Water usually boils at 100 degrees centigrade. This temperature is called the boiling point of water. On mountains, water boils at a temperature below 100 degrees centigrade. Number 5. The freezing temperature of water is 0 degrees centigrade. Below this temperature, water vapor on the ground turns to frost and water vapor in the air turns to snowflakes. Number 6. Water makes 70% of the human body as well as of animals and plants. Number 7. It has high specific heat capacity. This property of water helps it to absorb large amount of heat energy. Consequently, plants and animals can survive where water is found on earth. Number 9. Write the uses of water. Number 1. Used by plants and animals to form their tissues. Number 2. Used for regulation of heat among animals. Number 3. Medium of chemical reactions and weathering or breaking down of rocks. Number 4. Medium of transport both in rivers and oceans. Number 5. Generation of stream. Number 6. Washing, cleaning and cooling in industries. Number 7. Generation of hydroelectricity. Number 8. Rivers and oceans provide habitat for a wide variety of plants and animals. Number 10. Describe the process of photosynthesis. Water is one of the main raw materials utilized for making food by green plants through the process of photosynthesis. Green plants draw water from soil through their roots. It comes in contact with carbon dioxide from air. It splits water into hydrogen and oxygen, and from these two raw materials, food is synthesized and oxygen is released into the atmosphere as a byproduct of photosynthesis. Number 11. What is habitat? A habitat is the natural home of plant or animal. It literally means the living or dwelling place of an organism. Number 12. What are aquatic habitat? Homes for many plants and animals in water is called aquatic habitat. Number 13. What are the divisions of aquatic habitat? Aquatic habitat can be divided into freshwater habitat, marine water habitat. Number 14. Where is fresh water found? Fresh water is found in lakes, rivers, springs, on earth's surface and underneath the soil as groundwater. Number 15. Fill in the blank. About 70% of world fresh water is found in glaciers and ice caps. Number 16. What are the divisions of freshwater habitat? The freshwater habitat can be of two types. Number 1. Lentic habitat. Lentic habitat is characterized by still or stagnant water. For example, pond, lake or swamp. Number 2. Lotic habitat. Lotic habitat refers to running water. Examples are rivers, streams and springs. Number 17. Which plants do grow in lentic habitat? Plants like hydrilla, nilumba, lotus and water hyacinth. Number 18. Name some living organisms in lotic habitat. Lotic habitat is populated by fish, frogs, snakes, snails and larval insects. Number 19. Fill in the blank. Marine water is concerned with water in oceans and seas. Number 20. Why is marine water salted or saline water? It is saline water because of dissolved salt it contains. An average sample of seawater contains 35 parts per thousand of dissolved salts. This matter consists of dissolved salts, gases and even oxygen. Number 21. How can animals and plants survive in oceans? It is by virtue of presence of oxygen that many animals and plants survive in oceans. Number 22. How many divisions are there in marine water habitat? The marine water habitat is divided into two parts, the pelagic or whole body of water and the benthic or bottom region. Number 23. How the pelagic part of marine water divided into the pelagic is further divided into the neritic province, water that overlies the continental shelf and oceanic province. Number 24. Where is the most life in the ocean found? Why? Most of the life in the oceans is found in the pelagic habitat because near the surface of the ocean there is a great amount of sunlight, food dissolved nutrients. These areas provide abundant food for the fish. It is why continental shelves are rich in fish. 24. Fill in the blank. World's important fishing grounds are found near continental shelf. Number 25. What is phytoplankton? Microscopic plants are called phytoplankton. These are free-floating aquatic plants which serve as food for fish. Number 27. What does neritic province include? Neritic province includes a littoral zone that occurs in near shore water adjacent to the coast, bays and estuaries. Number 27. Which animals are found in neritic province? Sea animals like oyster, snail, slug and octopus are found in neritic province. 28. Which animals and plants can survive in benthic habitat? Only animals and plants capable of tolerating harsh conditions can survive in benthic habitat. 29. Who are benthos? The organisms living on ocean floor are called benthos. 30. Which animals and plants are found in benthic habitat? Sea lily and squid are the organisms of benthic habitat. 31. What are the two main sources of water? The two main sources of water are fresh water and marine water. 32. What do the freshwater and marine water sources include? Freshwater sources include rain, snow, ponds, wells, lakes, and rivers, whereas marine water is found in seas and oceans. Number 33. Where does rainwater fall on the earth? Rainwater is the main source of fresh water. Most of the rain falls on the seas, but some falls on land and drains into river or streams. Some of the rainwater soaks down through the soil and rock and collects underground as groundwater. So near about 65 questions are there. So I will provide the left of the question answers in the next video. So till then, take care and bye.